Alright, so this video is going to be kind of different from my other videos. Basically, I'm graduating in like around 3 weeks, and in this video I want to showcase some of the things I'll be missing from Cal State LA and take you along in that journey. So let's go and see what are the things I'll be missing once I graduate. Right now I'm inside one of the lecture halls. There are actually two lecture halls, but they share the same layout, and in this lecture hall is where I've created like lots of memories with my friends. I've met some of my really close friends, some friends who have helped me a lot in all my classes, and we have just had like so much fun. We used to like sit and play games once in a while when we were bored in the class, or like when the professor hadn't come, and they were like really fun experiences that I'm really going to miss and I might not get like when I'm working in the industry. Now moving on to the next one. So the next place I want to talk about is the ECST Walkway, as you see right behind me. This is actually the place where I got most of my experience as a computer science major. It was actually in this very location where during freshman year I ran into a person called as Wilson, who was an extremely great mentor and who asked me to join ACM, where I've learned so much. ACM is the Association for Computing Machinery, which is a computer science organization, and I've learned a lot from that club. And then we have done like multiple tabling events over here for ACM before COVID, and it was a really wonderful experience. So yeah, this is one of my most favorite place to hang out with. I sometimes come with my friends, hang out over here before. So the next place I want to talk about is actually Eatery. So right behind me is a food court on campus, and inside that is this place called as The Spot, which is amazing. I usually go to The Spot when I feel like having mac and cheese with potato tortas, and the mac and cheese is like so good. I wish I can come back like after I graduate just to grab a mac and cheese when I'm hungry or some other time. But yeah, that was the next place. Now going to the next one. So the next big thing that I'll miss like after graduating from Cal State LA is actually having lunch with my friends, talking about it, having a smoothie, and all sorts of things. So yeah, right now going to have lunch, then we're going to head to a different place. For the final segment of this, what I'll be missing the most is doing like in-person presentations. For the past 2 years, all the presentations have been online because of COVID, but today I have an important in-person presentation, and I think in 2 weeks time I have one more, so really excited for that. And that's one of the main things I'll be missing. There's one more thing that I'll be missing, which I'll show in the next clip. And that went well. The last thing that I'll miss the most is hanging out with my friends. Maybe walking in the main walkway with my friends, talking about class, planning activities that we can do during break, or also like sitting in the library, attending class, working on homework. Sometimes we also used to watch movies, and this is one thing I'll miss the most out of everything that I've shared today. With that being said, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on in the next one. Peace.